Okay, next one. This can fit large. Okay, this is for large. Meron siyang bulsa. Then, bottom down din to. Okay, na-adjust po sa waistline. Okay, code natin po 93 for 200 pesos. 93. For 200 lang si 93. Okay, next po, can fit large. Ito manipis lang siya. Ayan, super lightweight lang po. Then, pwede nyo rin siya lagyan ng belt. Medium or large tayo dito, ladies. For only 150 pesos. Code pastel, 150. Okay, next. Ito, pang-event siya na dress. Satin dress for event to ladies. Ang ganda ng details niya sa likod. Ganyan siya. Look at that. Okay, this is for 280. Code satin. So, this can fit medium po. Ganyan yung details sa likod. Ayan. Maganda yan si satin ladies. Perfect yan pang event. 93 Miss Wendy. Thank you so much. And then, pastel for Miss Jonna Garcia. Miss Wendy go for 250. Pastel for 150, Miss Jonna. Thank you. Okay, code dito. So, ito po, kaya siya ng medium ladies. Okay, mine, Celine, for 200 pesos. Code Celine. Ito, pwede nyo to pang winter pala, oh. Parang ano siya, turtleneck. Celine code. For 200.